Welcome back viewers to another video. In this video we will talk about goals and how you can focus on them. So let's start. First of all friends, wake up with a goal every day. And always get obsessed over your goals. Remember your goal and why you started. And then also set a goal that makes you want to hop out of bed each morning. It should be according to your interest. Focus on your goal. Don't look in any direction but ahead. To make it come true, you can write your goals down in detail and read your list of goals every day. This also helps a lot. And friends, work on your goal a little bit each day, no matter how small. Like you can aim to be 1% better than yesterday. Because we all know that a little progress each day adds up to big results. Now friends, some quotes for your motivation. Know that a goal without a timeline is just a dream. So give yourself a timeline. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. I am worthy of my dreams and goals. Say it to yourself. And also, try to surround yourself with people who talk about visions, dreams, and goals, not other people. People with goals succeed because they know where they are going. If you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, liberates your energy, and inspires your hopes. Without dreams and goals, there is no living, only merely existing, and that is not why we are here. The people who get things done, who lead, who grow, and who make an impact, those people have goals. Any goal worth achieving involves an element of risk. First of all, when you have to do something, pray for it. Then set your goal. Make a plan and work hard on it. Succeed. Then don't forget to thank God. Be humble and then repeat the same for the other goal. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Never give up. Great things take time. Be patient. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. Remember this in your mind. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Results happen over time, not overnight. Work hard, stay consistent, and be patient. So friends, this is all for today. If you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe the channel for more motivational stuff and quotes on special topics. Until next video, take care of yourself.